In this video, you can get tips to prepare for API 577 Welding Inspection and Metallurgy exam and share free practice exam to test. What is API 577? Key benefits of obtaining the API 577 certification. API 577 exam structure. The exam covers the following categories. Study resources for API 577 exam. (1) Which of the following is the test that can measure most aspects of weldability? A. Impact testing. B. There is no single test. C. Weld tension tests. D. Bend testing. Answer: B. 2. Which of the following is a commonly accepted advantage of flux core arc welding, FCAW? A. Equipment is simple, inexpensive, and portable. B. The slag supports and shapes the weld bead. C. There is a reduced requirement for ventilation. D. There is minimal post-weld cleanup. Answer: B. 3. Which of the following can result from residual magnetism left in a partially completed weld? A. Excessive distortion. B. Tendency of weld pool to be sluggish. C. Deflection of the weld arc. D. Solidification cracking. Answer: C. 4. What is the major cause of lack of fusion in all welding processes involving carbon steel? A. Inadequate preheat. B. Improper welding speed. C. Improper heat input and improper welding technique. D. Not using a low hydrogen electrode or improper shielding. Answer: C. 5. Which of the following is a commonly accepted limitation of flux core arc welding, FCAW? A. It is more sensitive to drafts and wind than GMAW. B. It has lower deposition rates than SMAW. C. Shielding must always be provided by an externally supplied gas. D. Large volumes of welding fumes are generated. Answer: D. 6. Which of the following is a hazard associated with in-service welding on a carbon steel pipe containing chlorine? A. Explosion or unstable reaction with the addition of localized heat. B. Exothermic decomposition or explosion. C. Carbon steel will burn in the presence of chlorine in high heat. D. Hydrogen released during welding process can initiate hydrogen-assisted cracking. Answer: A. 7. API Recommended Practice 577 provides A. A definition of welds that should be inspected in refinery and chemical plant equipment. B. A definition of specific techniques and practices that should be used for welding inspection. C. Guidance on the extent and scope of inspection required for specific types of welds. D. Guidance on welding inspection during the fabrication and repairing of refinery equipment and piping. Answer: D. 8. Which of the following is a practical solution that could prevent or reduce lack of fusion in carbon steel during the weld process? A. Reduce travel speed. B. Provide proper heat input. C. Avoid excessive weaving. D. Use proper joint design. Answer: B. Subscribe and like past question.